afternoon, we will start with the English activity B1 task 4. Let's go. Task 4, speaking. What is your name? My name is Jennifer Silva. How old are you? I am 30 years old. Where are you from? I am from Colombia, and I was born in Sogamoso, Boyacá. One moment, please. What is your marital status? I am single. Tell me about yourself. I spent my entire career at my last job receiving two promotions and three awards for outstanding performance. I am looking to join a major company now and take on more leadership and project management if it's possible. Why did you leave your last job? Overtime changed my chart and I was no longer being given the opportunity to do the work I was interested. I left to pursue an opportunity that I felt was more aligned with what I choose to focus on my career. One moment, please. One moment, please. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I am glad you escaped. In 5 years, I see myself taking on more responsibilities, higher level individual contributions. I am not sure which path will make sense to pursue, but I know my goal right now is to build a strong experience so that I have a successful future in industry. How do you make decisions? I typically list out as available options and then weigh the pros and cons and expect outcomes of each. If other things or people are impacted by the decisions, I ask for their thoughts too. One moment, please. One moment, please. Let's go. What motivates you? I am motivated by a student learning environment with great co-workers like you had here. I love that at my last school it drove me to double my professional development hours. Why are you good fit for these positions? I just the qualities that the job requires, and I think I can improve those qualities and acquire new ones over time. Thank you, thank you, thank you.